Hey everyone! Have you ever had trouble getting great coffee when you're traveling? Especially when you're staying in a hotel? You know, with that coffee maker that you don't even know if it's clean, and the coffee that comes in the little bags, you don't even know how fresh that is or how old it is? Well, I'm heading on a trip. So let me show you my approach to solving that problem when I get to the hotel. But first I have to finish packing and get a haircut. So I'll see you in the hotel. Hey everyone, Steve here. Hey, you know, getting great coffee when you're traveling is very difficult. The way I solve the problem is I bring my own travel kit. I have a pop-up brew boiler, a portable scale, pops out like this, of course an AeroPress. This is a battery-powered herb grinder, looks great, and of course SteffenMarkkus coffee. Look in the description below for where to get all these items. It's going to make your travels much better. Okay, have a great day.